Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most, with your after 7 p.m. video of the day. I just read a quote, right? And the Yogi Baba said, if you love a flower, don't pick it up. Don't pick it. Leave the flower. If you love a flower, leave it and allow it to continue to grow. If you pick the flower will cease to become what it is that you love about the flower. Love is about appreciation. Love is not about possession. Love is about appreciation. Love is not about possession. So, it's funny because it's raining like cats and dogs out here, and I just left the house. I'm recording on my phone. I just left the house because my DCR camera, the microphone ran out of a battery, so I went to go get some batteries. And me and Brains in the house just now, we were joking around. And we were talking about how one girl said to her man, "I'm tired of this, and I'm leaving you." And he was like, left? Where left I go? You better go right. Cause no left around here, so. You not left me and me not left you. We can't left each other till we're dead. And I was thinking that was funny. But I come out here and I'm driving through the rain and I'm thinking, how many people have lost their lives, especially women, because they simply wanted to leave. They simply wanted to leave a relationship that had become overbearing, abusive, stagnant, claustrophobic. She could no longer breathe. She could no longer grow. She could no longer be herself. She had lost sight of who she was or wanted to be or wanted to become. And finally she get brave enough to say, you know what, I'm out. And a man kills her. Right? And I'm thinking to myself, when relationships start out, they start out with this person being the most promising thing ever. And you know, a woman go brag to them girlfriend and man go brag to him, bridging them. Yo, dog, I she this, you know, I it, you know. And after a while, it's like, yo, she's the one or he's the one. And somewhere along the line, people start to forget to love and appreciate all the things that drew you to this person. Now you want to cover them up. Now you want that person to change those things. Now you want that person to hide those things. So and some people are weak and they can't walk away right away. Or they've invested too much and come too far and it's hard now to walk away. And they're saying, oh my God, alright, so I'm going to change this for her. Or I'm going to change this for him. I'm going to change that for him. And before you know it, they've changed so many things about themselves that you, the person who possess them, don't even carry the same love and appreciation you did for that person anymore. You don't even look upon her the same way no more. Because she no longer possesses the things that you were so mad about. You know what I'm saying? So it's funny, I'm looking at that yogi's thought. If you love a flower, don't pick it. Leave it just as it is. Because when you pick that flower, the flower will cease to be what it is that you love about that flower. Wow. If you love the flower, leave it. Love is not about possession. Love is about appreciation. That's deep. I don't have no long videos for y'all this evening, my SouFLoTV people. But, big up my family. And when I say my family, I'm not talking about blood family. I'm talking about my SouFLoTV family. SouFLoTV Nation. May I talk about the conscious people on SouFLoTV. The intellects on SouFLoTV are those seeking to be enlightened and those seeking to vibrate at a higher level. No low vibration thing, right? Big up on yourself, man. But that's a whole meditation in the evening here and thought that I would share this with you. Alright? I got some beautiful videos coming for y'all. Like I said, I've been working, and I haven't been able to put the videos out quality like I wanted to. Y'all been getting peer videos from my phone. Now you're gonna get videos, me sit down in proper lighting from the DSLR camera, proper camera, and I'm gonna give you some good video, some good topics that we can really sit and talk about. Yeah, we are gonna stay in the dancehall entertainment and all these things when things get hot, and we feel the need to cover those because we're universal, right? But we're gonna get back to what we are about. It's SouFLoTV. Make sure you have a progressive, productive evening, a loving evening. Love yourself, yeah? And love the people that you tell that you love them. Truly do love them. Don't seek to possess them. You know, some people, them seek to possess you, and they have a list of things that you should be, or you should be doing, or you should become. I'm not saying fall in love with someone that, I'm not saying fall in love with non-progressive, non-productive element, you know, they must still have those things about them. But I'm talking about the traits that you appreciate about the person from the beginning. Don't try to change those. Let the people be, let the person be. And love and appreciate. Love is appreciation, it's not possession. Remember that. And if someone is trying to possess you and not appreciate you, get out. Alright? Big up on yourself, man. I'm out. Peace.